This video is to give a little insight on how to access SeeSaw. There are two ways to access SeeSaw. You can download the SeeSaw app from either Android or the App Store. You can also log on to SeeSaw.me. So SeeSaw.me. And that is kind of the online web-based version of that. The apps can get a little confusing. There are two different apps you can download. You can download the SeeSaw class app, and this will be an app that the students will use to log in and upload their assignments. There's also a SeeSaw parent app. The parent app is very similar to the student app, but this just allows parents to view their particular child's profile, like and comment and share their child's work that has been uploaded to SeeSaw. So to log into SeeSaw from the kids' standpoint, you will open up the SeeSaw class app. And let me sign out of this one. So you open up the app and you will click I am a student. So this is probably the trickiest part. The easiest way for the kids to log on is through a QR code. So this is our class QR code. It was given out at back to school night, but it will also be a part of your child's homework folder next week. So I have the QR code up on my computer. Your iPad camera automatically opens, and it will just look for the QR code. As soon as it scans the QR code, I am now into the student side of SeeSaw. So if you click on class account and feed view, you can see the student's various work samples. If you're looking for your child's work, I guess this is the child's side of the app. So if your child wants to see the work, they can look for their name, open up their folder, and you can see anything that has been submitted to your child's folder. So from this page, this is where your child can create or upload an assignment. If they have done something like a write about journal entry that's been saved to their camera roll, a chatterpix, any type of document that's been done and is in your iPad or iPhone, cell phone's camera roll, you will click on camera roll, open it up, and then you can upload the particular assignment. The one neat thing about SeeSaw is you can take a picture of something, a video of something, you can create your own kind of paint image, and you can also add drawing and voice to that. So one thing I've added in the past, in your child's folder, if you scroll down to the bottom, they will have a couple reading passages. So anybody can take the reading passage and click on the three dots and copy and edit. Again, select your child. And at the bottom there's different symbols. So there's a microphone where they can record, there's a pencil where they can draw, and then there's a T where they can add text. So one neat thing that we can hopefully get into before the end of the school year is students can take a document like this, they can click on the pencil, and they can also record their voice. So now I can see them read, I can hear them read, and I can see them follow along. So now I can see a big box. I guess we'll get a different color in there. I can see a big box. The pot. If they get to a word where they're not familiar with, do you like, and they can circle it. So I know that they're struggling with being able to sound out or identify that word. So I think this is a very neat app. You can always check it off, and it's creating the video. Save it under your child's profile. That's something I can see. It's something you can see if we happen to do this in class. And it's something that will stay in your child's profile until the app goes under, until they decide to erase it on their end. But I think it's a very neat app where we can track your child's growth from kindergarten up through 5th grade. And I appreciate anyone that attempts to use this and get it started before they are exposed to this next year in 1st grade.